Hi guys, Linnea here with a video response to Magical Mandy for hashtag advice to a new witch or advice to new witches. I think my advice to new witches would be to start with candles, to light candles whenever they're doing magical workings or even reading about magic. I just think it's a good idea to burn candles whenever they're feeling low or have something going on in their lives. I would always say to have candles. And then my next advice would be, whether they are going to be Wiccan or not, to read Scott Cunningham's guide to it's called Wicca, Guide to Practical Magic. I would say that would be a definite read, even if they're not going to be Wiccan. Because it kind of opens up the world to magic. Not to necessarily go by everything in it, though. I think that everyone should read what they can, get their hands on, and only take from it what works for them. Switch it around, make it your own. Sorry about the message. And do what feels right for them. But read everything they can get their hands on. And practice. Start your practice. Don't wait until you feel like you know everything first. Start practicing, because practical practice is what gets you where you want to be. I know a lot of people who think they need to wait until they've become some type of expert by reading, and that's really not the case. You need to start practicing. Start practicing right away, even if it's just lighting candles and doing little things. Start practicing, and don't worry too much about finding a god or goddess right away. It'll come to you, if you're even meant to. I went 33 years without a god or a goddess, and just believed in a god source, so to speak. So that would be my advice. That would be my advice to new witches. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope to hear from you soon. Please leave your comments and likes. And remember that you're all divine, sacred beings of light and love. And I love each and every one of you. Talk to you soon.